The Coastal Church of God nigo basabire abarai Koenekigwa omurembe imiyensi yaitu abose batebire muna nigo abarai abachakira Amaberera Siasa chingaki cha siasa chitaraika bakoragwa n'abariki bamagana imiyegeti y'ekigosori kya Gusi Stadium asumuyiga bokomokorera amasabo umungina onyagusira Eunice Mwangi oyole mamu mwabo Bishop Damasco Mwangi abarai abo nigo bararirie omurembe nakobasaba abarai gotigana amangana siasa cy'ugwatanana nabayigo kubwaterana asobwamo ili kubakorera emirimo abakenya muri gito Caroline Mausa namange
Abarai korwase chikanisa cha Pentecostal Church of God nigo besokiriri tukolia rero na koyegikiria serikali abase batebire buna niga abarai babwente Koenekigwa omurembe nabo igo kokora amagenderero asense yaito ya Kenya.
I gathered here to mourn with one of our members, actually who is the director in the Department of Health, my friend and Bishop Damasco Mwangi. We are mourning Mama Eunice, a great woman who has contributed immensely to the development of this nation.
Ningelipenda kuchukua nafasi hii kutukaribisha sote katika sherehe hii ya mama wetu mzazi ambaye amepumzika, na tumekuja kusherehekea muda na wakati ambao Mwenyezi Mungu amempa kuwa nasi.
Charles Saboke oyoro munyakero gobwe Evangelical Alliance of Kenya nigatebire buna nigense yeto ya Kenya yaberege gotiga gukora amagendero na guchaka siasa kurenda bwasaba sabire buna abarai babe abatwereru baganye chinga kichia siasa chigo ikaba maye guchaka koralia siasa.
In Kisi, and we thank the Lord who has brought us here to be together here with all churches who have come. This is a dangerous moment for Kenya. One of the reasons I'm saying that is that people are hungry, people are suffering, people are crying, people are dying, and so there are many things which are happening. I want to ask the government to become serious and tackle this problem of medicine, this problem of lacking equipment in hospitals, this problem of people just dying anyhow. We are a country, and our country is not a tribal country. It is a whole country which is called a nation. Please, turn your life around. Don't use the church. Let the church be independent and also stand with the country. Don't be persuaded by a few shillings and then you just destroy the country. Where will your children live? So we want to pray that these people who are killing one another, please understand us at this particular time. Don't kill your wife, don't kill your mommy, don't kill your father, don't kill your children. Let us be taking care of one another. Please go and take a vote. And if you are not taking a vote, you know next time you might not even get a job. People will be asking, do you have a voting card? So let everybody get a voting card. A wise father tell your children to take a voting card.
As we transit to 2027, it is my appeal that let us consider the nation first. There comes a time when the nation is more important than an individual. Appeal to our politicians that cool down your temperatures. They have gone too high and yet 2027 is far.
Taifa la Kenya Mungu analipenda, analibariki, na kaunti hii yetu tunaitangazia amani, tunaitangazia umoja na baraka za Mwenyezi Mungu.
Inko reporter ya Amaberera Soko TV, Korwa kaunti ya Kisii. ilietaria ne Mausa Caroline.